So, this is another kind of one of these tests here. Person works in a pet shop, seeing which kind of food certain species of pets eat first. So, write our hypothesis again. We're going to say species and favorite food are independent. And then H1 species and favorite food are dependent. So there's my hypothesis. Degrees of freedom. Yeah, there's no total again, so I'm okay there. I don't have to ignore that. So 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2. You're going to notice that a lot of the stuff you do is going to have 2 or 3 or 4 degrees of freedom. That's pretty standard. It says create an expected frequency table. So this is the first one that asks us to do this. So an expected frequency table is going to be the exact same size as that right there. There's different ways you can do it. I'm going to draw it so it should have 3 and then 4 there. All right, so then we got the lettuce and carrots. So lettuce, carrot, and then rabbit, guinea pig, and hamster. Rabbit, guinea pig, hamster. Okay, so to fill these out, I have to do each one of these. I can do them on a calculator, I can do them by hand, whatever I want to do. But I'm going to need the total. So I need to add these things up. All right, so 16, 16, and 28 is 60. 34, 18, and 18 is 70. The grand total is 130. This is 50. This is 34. And this is 46. Yeah, 46. Okay, so there's my total. So now, here's, different ways to do this. In each box, I can write down the fraction and then put it in my calculator. All right, notice there's no total column on these. I don't need that. All right, or I can just put them in my calculator one by one and put the results in there. I'm going to write out the fractions for this one. So for this first box here, it would be 60 times 50 divided by 130. Okay, so 60 times 50 divided by 130. Okay, let's go down to the next box down here, and I have a lot of colors. So this is going to be 50 times 70 divided by 130. And then you just do this for each one. So 50 times 70 divided by 130. So each of them is going to be divided by 130. If I want to shortcut this a little bit, I can put that in there. So the next one, right here, is going to be 60 times 34 divided by 130. So 60 times 34 divided by 130. The 18, and I'm going to stop at the colors now, is going to be 70 divided by 34. So 70 times 34 divided by 130. So 70 times 34 divided by 130. The 28 is going to be 60 times 46 on top. So 60 times 46. And then the 18 is going to be 70 times 46. Okay, so now I need to put each of these in the calculator and get the expected frequencies for them. So it takes a little bit of time. So I'm not going to put these in fractions. I'm just going to do 60 times 50 divided by 130. So 23.1. I'm going to make them all. Pretty significant figures. 23.1. Didn't really do nothing there, but that's okay. So 26.9. 60 times 34 divided by 130. 15.7. 70 times 34, 18.3, 60 times 46, 21.2, and then 70 times 46 is 24.8. So there is my full expected frequency table. Again, you don't need to put the fraction in there, but make sure you're super careful about doing this. Sometimes it's easier to put the expected frequency table right next to the frequency table so you can more easily not keep going back and forth with the stuff like I did. But we need this to actually take out one of these tests all the way through.